Today I will make jambalaya today. And now I'm gonna spray this right here around. Did you already start it?
What is that?
So it's onions.
Diced onion?
Diced onions. And putting it to the pan here. Right now we're stirring this dish a little bit. And then now we're gonna put in meat, which is this thing right here.
Chicken.
Chicken is technically meat though. We're gonna put it in. And put it straight. Now we're gonna stir it. Like a little mixing going on. And now we're gonna put these bell peppers into this. And now we're gonna mix it some more. Now we're gonna put some uncooked rice into this. Hope it doesn't. Let's get some more off of this thing. Stir this. One of them fell off, and that's totally fine. It doesn't have to be perfect here. Now we're gonna put some canned tomatoes in here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Swoosh it, stir, swoosh. And now we're gonna put in a little bit of water in here. One and a half cup of water. In here. And stir it some more. We're gonna put in this Japanese soup stock in here. Like a little so. We're gonna put in some shrimp and kielbasa sausages. Just to let you know, kielbasas are like the best sausages in the whole world. Anyway, now we're gonna put this one bay leaf in here. We're gonna put in some paprika, some cumin, and some thyme, and some ground cayenne red pepper, some oregano, and some ground white pepper in it. Half tablespoon of paprika, teaspoon of cumin seed, teaspoon of oregano,
1/4.
1/4 teaspoon of thyme,
1/4.
1/4 teaspoon of thyme,
Different, huh?
1/4 teaspoon of ground red pepper. Cayenne red pepper, says. And white pepper in it, and Japanese salt.
Doesn't matter, John.
Low heat and cover for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes steaming, we'll open this now. It's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. And now we're gonna stir this a little bit more. Isn't it great? Smells so delicious. Looks delicious. We're gonna put this in the bowl. Gucci gang. Isn't it delicious? Gucci gang.
Okay.
Okay. It's delicious. Love it.